This is the Kudu series by Cold Steel. Half lock. It's shining up really pretty. Yeah, the locking mechanism's a little different on these. Gotta kind of pull up. Half lock. And she closes tight, so you want to have your fingers out of there. And that was the Lite. And this is the original. Notice how this has a ring on it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For some reason, that's cammed with like at least 5 stops. I might not have counted that right. But that's a different beast. The Kudu series by Cold Steel. Closing this is fun. See if I can cut myself. Yeah, that's why it has those in there, so you don't cut fingers off. Boy, I'm dangerous. Anyway, they're pretty. Yep. Alrighty.